Hi friends, missing out on street style Arabian shawarma? Today let's watch how to simply make it at home. For the preparation you'll need 900 grams chicken thigh or breast, thinly sliced and pounded. Here we are using chicken breast. Salt, black pepper powder, garlic paste, paprika powder, cinnamon powder, lime juice, olive oil, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and hung curds. This is the marination stage, so mix all the ingredients well and poke it slightly. Rest this marination for a minimum 1 hour and maximum overnight. Now the cooking stage. Take a skewer and place an onion on it. Now take the marinated chicken and place them on the skewer one on top of the other tightly. Do this till all the chicken is placed on the skewer. Again place an onion on the top and press all this chicken content tightly. Now place it in the oven and let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius till it is cooked and ready to eat. Don't overcook it or the chicken will become dry. Once it is grilled, thinly slice the grilled areas only and repeat the grilling process, because if you notice, a chicken shawarma is grilled with the outer layers cut, grilled again, again layers cut, and again grilled. Every layer is well grilled. And don't forget to chop it to make them small. Now for the sandwich stage. To really enjoy this sandwich like it should be enjoyed, you'll need pita bread, salad leaves, potato fries, a little lime juice, and garlic sauce. For authentic taste, garlic sauce is the best option. But if you don't have that, substitute using garlic mayonnaise. Assemble all the ingredients in the pita bread and roll it to a shawarma sandwich roll. Wrap it in a butter paper to avoid any spillage. That's it. So simple. For Arabian style pita bread and garlic sauce recipe, subscribe to our channel.